any doubt, and they feel so much comfortable when it comes to expressing them. Right now, ladies, they are staring at me, they are standing behind me, and they're speaking something. Huh? The discomfort you endure today will bring comfort in your life tomorrow. All of us, we want to speak English fluently, but the thing is that we don't feel comfortable. Even if we know everything, even if we have all the knowledge which is important to speak English comfortably, fluently, and confidently. However, something is there because of which we don't feel comfortable or we don't feel confident. We always feel hesitated when it comes to speaking in front of others, or when it comes to express ourselves in front of others, especially in social gathering or in party, in meeting or in interviews. We always feel hesitated. Why? Why we always feel we are not confident enough? Why don't we have that much courage? Are you coward? I don't think so you are coward. The thing is that you haven't done enough practice. And this is the thing. I work on my students when they join my classes. I don't teach them grammar. I don't make them use proper rules. I just ask them, you have to speak confidently. First of all, you just need to be comfortable with the words and the sentence structures and the rules which you use and which you are applying while speaking. And then everything becomes easy. And after 3 or 4 days, their confidence increases. And then they just express themselves without any doubt. And they feel so much comfortable when it comes to expressing them. Right now, ladies, they are staring at me, they are standing behind me, and they're speaking something. Huh?
अब आप चलो हमारा त्योहार बन गई डंडा ले हो जाता आप देख लिया इंदा ठाड़ा ना हो बन गए
And they are just kidding, and it will help me to show they have nothing to do with this work. Still, they are so much intrigued what I'm doing. So the same thing you are supposed to do. Your environment, your circumstances, your surrounding should not affect you. You have to have faith in yourself, and the second thing that you have to work on, you have to practice a lot. Only enough practices. Your practice will make you fluent in English. आपका भरोसा अपने ऊपर होना चाहिए कि मैं जो सेंटेंसेस बोल रहा हूँ वो सही बोल रहा हूँ. हमें अपने वर्ड्स को, हमें अपने सेंटेंसेस को किसी के सामने अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस करना आना चाहिए. हमें परफेक्ट नहीं बनना. हम यहाँ पे अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं. एंड जितने भी नेटिव स्पीकर्स होते हैं, दे डोंट यूज़ एडवांस वर्ड्स, दे डोंट यूज़ एडवांस सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, दे जस्ट यूज़ द बेसिक सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स. एंड द थिंग इज़ दैट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ they speak in different accent, so that's why we feel ki they have, like, their level is on the top of this world, but in reality it's not. They use the basic sentences, they use basic thing, and the same thing we have to follow, the same thing we have to do. We have to use only basic things and basic sentence structures, basic words, and the thing which makes you confident is your belief in yourself. हम लोगों की सबसे बड़ी गलती यही होती है कि हमें लगता है कि जब दूसरा कोई हमें अप्रिशिएट करेगा, when others will pat on our back, then only हमें लगेगा कि हाँ, now I am improving, now I am getting better day by day, now I am becoming confident. But ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर हम दूसरों के ऊपर भरोसा करते हैं तो कोई नहीं चाहता कि हम लाइफ में आगे बढ़ें. Everyone is there just to pull ourselves back. Nobody wants to do something for us. So don't let them dominate you. Don't let them take your opportunity. Okay? So अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप लाइफ में कुछ करो, सो अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखो, क्योंकि आपका भरोसा आपके ऊपर आपको कॉन्फिडेंट बनाता है. द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद मी. आई वॉज अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. I always felt, I used to feel like that when others will appreciate me, then only I will feel confident. And I did this thing for a long time. But the moment I got this realization, no, it's not working. I'm not feeling confident or comfortable. Then I started speaking with these ladies in my surrounding. Initially, I felt hesitated a little bit. But when I kept shooting my videos again and again, then everything started improving. And now, even if these ladies are like next to me, sitting next to me, or they just in my surrounding, still I don't feel uncomfortable because I have faith within me. I have nothing to do with them, and they have nothing to do with me. All of us, we are doing our work. So you have to make sure that what you really want to do, and do you believe in yourself or not. And one thing I also want to mention here, when it comes to speak English confidently, I have always mentioned you have to do practice a lot, and practicing again and again wants your comfort zone. So you have to be uncomfortable. The discomfort you endure today will bring comfort in your life tomorrow. So don't run away from uncomfortable thing. Don't run away from the adversities, from the misfortune. Everything will come in your life, but how you tackle, how you go through this phase of your life, and how you keep working towards your dream, how you try to be consistent on your dream, will assure you, or will make you sure that you are going to achieve something big or not. And I hope you must have got. And now I think it's enough for today. So we will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep working on your goal.